Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can create an AI influencer using Synthlife. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, go to Google and type in Synthlife. Then click on the first link. Now enter your email. Then press Create Your Influencer. This is the dashboard where we can generate our AI influencer. To generate an influencer, you need to enter the celebrity names Sandra Bullock, Natalie Portman. Then choose a hair color. I will choose blonde. Finally, press Update to create the influencer. Then it will begin building the face. This may take a few minutes. As you can see, it has generated our face. It's a bit mid. If you're not happy with the face that has been created, you can press Update again to build a new face. So much better. Now we're going to show you how to generate custom images using your influencer's face. Click on Create Images, click on Photo Studio. Prompt the box with a description of the clothing you want your AI to wear. I'm going to choose a black dress. Then select a background. Toggle smile on or off. Then choose a pose. Body selfie. Upper body 1. Upper body 2. I'm going to select random. Then select your size. We'll go with 1:1. Then press generate. This may take a few minutes to complete. Oh, look at these beautiful results. If we press preview, we can get a close-up of these eye beauties. Now we're going to show you how to auto-generate images. Under Create Images, click Auto Generate. In this tab, we can generate multiple random images with our influencer. Now simply press Auto Generate and Synth. It will begin creating your images. As you can see, with little effort, we have generated 6 beautiful images which are ready to be uploaded to Instagram. For now, we're going to show you how to image clone. Under Create Images, click on Image Clone. Image cloning puts our influencer's face and body into an image. So first, we'll need to upload an image. Click Upload. I will choose this one. Then choose the number of images. Toggle smile on or off. Then adjust the creativity slider. Now press the Generate button. This may take a few minutes to complete. Yeah, these are fantastic. As you can see, it has swapped out our influencer's face with the image and kept the clothing and the background the same. If you're running out of ideas or need inspiration, you can click on Insta Feed. This will show you all the trending Instagram posts. To image clone one of the images, click on Create Similar. This will add the image clone to a queue. Then at the top of the page, press on your creatives. This tab shows you all your clones which are being processed. Finally, we're going to show you how to create videos of your AI influencer. Click Create Videos, then press TikTok. Reface. You'll need a TikTok video link to reface, then paste the link. In this box, you can either choose to use your synth's face or a custom face. I will choose my synth's face, then press Upload Video. It will begin generating your video. Be patient because this may take a few hours. As you can see, our video has been queued. When it's done, you can see it. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.